Today is a celebration. Remy's birthday. Life begins at 40. You see? Birthday girl. Life begins at 40. Happy birthday, Remy!
Thank you, Ella!
Oh, may handa, may kasaba.
Nakasaba.
May ano pa? Ano yan? Spring roll.
Thank you, Lorena! You're welcome. Thank you, Julie!
Pinakbet.
You're welcome!
Pansit. Ayan, yung masarap. Kilawin. Spaghetti. And the fruit. Dessert.
Sige na, go!
Hi, Remy. Ito mga kananin. Mga maid.
Pinakamamahal kong mga kaibigan.
Oh, yan si Lorena. Ganda ng beauty. Oh.
Pagmahal.
Julie, tama na yan. Pahinga ka na, please.
Konti na to.
Yan si Julie, yung bagong kasal. Oh, Remy, tuloy mo na.
Hi!
Tuloy mo.
Ayan, ang aming pinakamamahal na si Vines. Hi!
And you told me not to cry, but I made it home alive. You said that only proof that I'm safe. You made me right, I made it great. That is just me. Thank you.
Yan, nagbabarbecue si Nolly. Hi, Nolly.
Don't try to say
Let's make her.
you may be wrong for all I know, but you may be right.
Yan, sa atin na lang.
All upon you
Ang ating mga chef.
on your head.
Si Lorena. Si Emma. Si kanyang asawa. Ang aming singer. Yan ang aming mga lovebirds.
You're lonely for a man,
Yan ang aming
as I take it as I am, 'cause you might enjoy some night for a while. How you should try find someone to satisfy. I might be as great.
Nalaji, ma'am.
You say
Ayan, si Ninang Remy.
if I'm crazy,
Ninang Tita.
it's true.
Oh,
That's all we
ang gaganda nila.
and you won't want me
Ang ganda ng
all the
decoration.
way.
Ayan si Nolly, yung
You
bago
may be
nagsakay.
right,
Ayan yung misis niya, naghuhugas. Ito yung mga bisita, si Emma at saka si John. Naka-red sila. Ito naman.
burn out light.
Oh, ginawa namin yan ni Love ko, Fruit of Love.
You may be wrong for all I know.
Nasunod.
You may be right.
Madilim. Ayan, magugulo sila. May nag-8-8 na dyan. Ayan si birthday girl. Sayaw ng sayaw. Masayang masaya. Kahit malayo sa pamilya. Maiyak-iyak na. Thank you so much.